Ba-dum da dum da dum bum bum ba dum da dum.
Cars were racing, zoom, zoom, zoom. Towers rising to the moon. We jumped around and had such fun. Messy play for everyone.
Playtime is over. It was great, but now a mission awaits. Let's go, team. Our mission is clean up.
The room is messy, oh my my. Toys are scattered low and high. If they stay here, they might break. Let's save them for goodness sake.
Cars go to the garage station.
Dolls go to their shelf location.
Everything has a place to stay. Messy rooms feel small and gray. Cleaning makes space to play. Tidy up, tidy up. 1, 2, 3. Toss it in the bin with glee. Fill the boxes, clear the floor. Now we have space for more.
Ready for tomorrow, for sure.
Legos in the box. Clack, clack, clack. Put them nicely front to back. Books go in the cupboard tight.
A clean room is a happy sight.
Tidy up, tidy up. 1, 2, 3. Toss it in the bin with glee. Fill the boxes, clear the floor. Now we have space for more.
Clean and shiny, safe and secure.
Woo! So fresh and clean. Now my room looks so big. Good night, toys.